What is up, everybody? I'm here. Another day, another flight time. Getting my chopper set up. See if it's back in business, because last time I flew it, crashed this little guy and it dropped and it wasn't spinning correctly. So let's see if I snapped it back into place. So simple. Turn on your control and I'm already ready to go. And it looks like I'll be able to take off. Off the bark, let's go. What a recovery. Need to go to open space. Come on, buddy. We're going to open space. Yeah, let's go. Come on. You know where to go. Let's go to open space, little buddy. Just keep walking. Yep, there you go. There you go, little buddy. Yep, doing just great. Perfect. Just keep it going. Oh, go up, up. Little up. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You got it. Yeah. There you go. And go ahead and take off. And now I can't see because I'm blinded by the sun. Here we go. Good spot right here. I know you guys can't see this, but it's so much fun. Oh my God, my eyes hurt. Look at that. God dang, my eyes are burning. No hands. I can fly my planes with no handlebars. So you guys can see this one. Oh my God, I almost hit the tree. I'm having a blast, bros. I know you guys can't see it, but y'all gotta be here to witness this. I swear to Jesus. So much fun. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I dropped it for you. I dropped it for you. Come on. Come back here, buddy. Come back here just for a second. We need to show our friends. There it is. See you later. Look at him. 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 Dang, I got scared, but we're in business, boys. And girls. Can't forget my girls. All my girl watchers. My YouTube subscribers. That's full thrust and it ain't going up. Means we need to change its back. It's pretty good though. It's holding up the bottom piece. Boom, back in business, boys. Let's go. And girls. Can't forget my girls. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, mayday, mayday. Help, help, mayday. Psych, got him. Look at that. No controllers being touched. Look at that. Look at that, maintaining its position right there. All right, let's go forward. Dang, that thing going fast. All right, we'll keep it close so you guys get some footage. some actual views. Actually, let's stay in this area. Let me see if I can do a lap around this tree. That'd be insane if I can pull this off. With my experience, I don't think so. I might crash into a tree and break it, but we'll see. Here we go. For you guys, for the viewers. Okay. Damn, that thing smacked my head. Oh, we in good business though. You guys see that in 3D, bro? Cause I saw that thing. Whew. If I'm not bleeding, I don't know what happened. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see anything on camera, but I can't see it. They smack me around the side of the head. Try to go like this. I took it right to the bunker. Well, that's for the footage, right? You like that footage, though? Wait. Okay, that's for the cam right there, because that really hurt. I think I got chipotle already. Alright, crazy hair day. Don't look at my hair. I thought I had my hat on for protection, but guess I didn't. Well, that's a wrap because I got brain damage. No, I'm just kidding. Probably gonna keep flying it, but that's a wrap. I'm just gonna head home. I'm gonna practice some wheelies. I got my bike. Gotta do some wheelies while I'm here. This is a beautiful day. It's already hot and it's like 10 a.m. I'm at Lake Yosemite Park. Lots of people come here. Yesterday was Sunday and it was packed. But it's a good part to chill and stuff. Alright, thanks for watching my plane. Thanks for watching my helicopter flight. When it hit my head, bonkers. The little loops over there. Got like a little baseball field going. Alright, but thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next ones. I got lots of videos coming up. And peace. Bye. Thank you. Boop.